Today, my colleague Girim and I will introduce two new services, in-house vector construction and in-house MCB manufacturing. These services are designed to help our clients accelerating development timelines while also strengthening data security. Previously, it took at least 21 days when using our partner services, whereas our internalized process can complete the work in approximately 10 days.
In terms of overall timelines, by streamlining the CLD process and leveraging our in-house MCB capability, we can enable a best-practice development path from VC to IND filings. For monoclonal antibody programs, this allows us to shorten the overall timeline from around 11 months to approximately 9 months, while maintaining full GMP compliance and data integrity.